Viewers, আমি খান এতিয়া দিলাই গেট নাগালেণ্ড আসাম বৰ্ডাৰে আছে কিন্তু এইটো একটা নতুন ব্ৰিজ বনাবলৈ আছে এতিয়া আমি খান দেখি পাই আছে এইটো ডেমলিশ হৈ না আছে পুৰণা ব্ৰিজটো আৰু কন্ট্ৰাক্টিং এজেন্সি নাগামি ইনফ্ৰাটেক পৰা লৈ না আছে আৰু এইটো কন্ট্ৰাক্টিং এজেন্সি no pura rasta from Dilai Gate to Hotel Drakupan Junction tak ase which is approximately 6.8 kilometers with an estimated cost of approximately 13 cr that is below 13 cr but more or less 12.8 or 9 cr as we have been told and with me we have here Mohan Lode tahan laga project manager ase can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Santosh Saikia.
Okay. So he is Santosh Saikia and he is the project manager for Nagami Infratech that is undertaking the work of building and repairing the road and as well as bridge. Now, আমি খান আৰু মই কুমন যাদৱ এইটো কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাস কাউন্সিল পৰা undertake কৰি না এইটো গেট তো বনাই আছে হলিবি ফ্ৰম হিয়াৰ এইটো নাগালেণ্ড লা আণ্ডাৰ দি আছে নাগালেণ্ড জুৰিছডিকশ্যন দি আছে আৰু তাইকে অলপ উদাউদি কৰিব এইটো লগা ডিটেইলছ ষ্টেটাছ আপডেটটো কি আছে বিকজ December 22 they ekta order pass hoise by the Commissioner of Police that this road will be closed till further notice aro kitcha idu khotom hoina rasta do vehicular movement karne khulibo holibi a lot of people are facing also hardship but aji jani pado they are alternative route bi ase moi camera person ke ekbar pan kholi dibo rasta do tade bra jai ase small or light motor vehicles karne itu approach road ekta bunai na ase to ease the public for their travels now itu chutu rasta bunaise aro age brabi tade bi if I can tell again ekta rasta another approach road jai ekta bosti brai na jai na main St. John's laga just before this gate tade ulai jai hole bi itu approach road to indecent colony brabi ulaule pare ina kona jani paise I will Mr. Santosh ke eta khota koribo itu last status report to sir apni kobo paribo itu kitcha demolition start hoise itu bridge la
On 22nd of December.
Or when is the expected time to complete?
By end of the March we will complete.
So ame khan aji bhi jani pai ase that duita bridge ase yadi ekta dangor bridge ase aro age de just before St. John's gate la osode check post la osode tade chutu bridge ekta bi demolish kuribole ase holi bi mon janibo mon jado idu tade bi demolition hobole ase by this week aro idu eja construction ase idu bi bon hoise kole manu khan kina birawo or what is the alternate route?
Alternate route is from there and they can go out to the Indecent village and one is there and they can move out from that.
Acha. So basically you are the project manager now not just this bridge idu eta to bridge to ami khan dikhi pai ase full swing jai ase kam to the work is in full swing now it is also under the PWD National Highways Department Government of Nagaland and the Nagami Infratech has taken the contract for this work Mohan Janimon Jadhav sir apni bhi idu stretch 6.8 kilometers to 2023 de award hoise it was awarded to Nagami Infratech now it a pura stretch one patches e dikhi pai kam bi julishi kole hole bi again potholes khan aro quality of work to biya nishna dikhi pai ase ami khan bi eta rasta tare brai ai ase patch khan ase to apni bi olop ko paro itu kineka kile na hoya ase quality to kile biya in some few places ina dikhi pai ase
There are few places where water stagnant issue is there. So we are rectifying that issue and 1 kilometer around 1 kilometer DBM is left.
okay
So we are trying to complete it by this end of the month and simultaneously we will complete the patch repair potholes also. So by end of the February we will complete the road work also.
of 6.8
Yes,
kilometers Acha. So when will it be fully completed this road that is from Dilai Gate till Drakupan Junction that is Golaghat Road usorde tadi tak eta mohan 6.88 kilometers approximately ase aro cost is almost 13 crores we would like to know ki it has been this is the second year running 2023 but not exactly 2 years almost 2 years whole ase so can you also tell us ki when will the whole stretch be completed 110% completed how would you say
By end of the March we will complete it.
end of March
In all respect we will complete it by end of the March.
End of March.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So, what are the main challenges that you are facing right now in this whole stretch, apart from this bridge, or even with the bridge also? आपने खान की challenge face कुरा से इधर पूरा stretch रास्ता लगा 6.8 kilometers ला रास्ता. Any challenges?
Yes, see, this is an existing road, and this is a very busy road, having very heavy traffic. So we have very short time of working time. We can work in night only
Yes,
for the
yes.
road works. So that is, and also due to the monsoon season, some of the patches have been deteriorated. So we are rectifying also that. So these are the challenges we are facing, and also some of the challenges that may be usually faced in construction projects like machine failure or these are we are facing, but we are continuing the work. And for bridges also, I would like to tell that we are planning to work around the clock for both the bridges, day and night shift. Both the teams will work day and night shift. Around 50 people are already have been mobilized.
Okay.
All the machineries have been mobilized in the site. So hopefully we will complete it by end of the March.
So, can you also tell us, there are so many villages around this area. We can see many villages just surrounding it, 360 degrees. There's different villages, especially in this area. Have there been any complaints due to noise pollution or just environmental hazards that are there? Has there been any of those issues?
No complaints have been raised, and we have got immense support from the villagers and council also. So there are no complaints, and we are trying to solve each and small problems also. If someone from village is asking from small helps, we are giving all possible from our side.
Can you let us know? We just came to know that this approach road that is going from behind me towards my left straight is Dimapur town. The approach road is blocked right now due to a hume pipe. Now, can you tell us how are you going to do it? You have told me earlier off camera that some filling up will be done. Can you please explain a little
We
bit?
will fill up this soil to that portion also, and we will rolling it out
Okay.
with our roller. We will roll out that portion also, and that road can be also used by the commuters also.
So we can expect this whole project completion, including the two bridges plus the road that is of 6.8 kilometers from Dilai Gate to Drakupan Golaghat Road Junction to be completed by March and 100%. Is that an assurance? Can you give us this assurance?
I can
Unless-
give, definitely we can give you an assurance for that.
আৰু আপুনি ক'ব পাৰিব এইটো ব্ৰিজ লা সাইজ তো এইটো ডাঙৰ वाला আৰু ওটো ছোটো লা সাইজ তো কি না হ'ব না what is the measurement?
Both the bridges are of same length is 7 meter and width is 12 meter.
Oh, both bridges are of the same size. Okay. All right. So you are saying that both bridge will be finished simultaneously together will be open, so there won't be any hassle for travelers.
Yes, definitely.
All right. Thank you. So idu Santosh Saikia thakishe ta idu project manager for Nagami Infratech. Idu agency, idu company to contract luina ase awarded the contract for the 6.8 kilometers from Dilai Gate to Drakopan Junction. Aro ami khan dikhi pai ase kwa nishna day and night project manager pra kwa nishna day and night kam chuli ase full swing jai ase. The bridge is going to be built. Approach road has been made also to ease the problems of the public tahan travel kore ase. Aro not just that, echa to heavy vehicles khan bypass route par jai ase. Idu Dimapur Chumu bypass, which is under NHIDCL, idu bypass route bhi khuling na ase. Aro of course mohalla idu road over bridge bhi bon ase etya. So all the routes have been changed to the bypass route, especially no heavy vehicular movement is happening in Dimapur town. But as he have said, two approach roads are there for the public to ease their problem of traveling towards Dimapur town, because many villages, many colonies are located here. Yate bishi colonies khan ase, big colonies are there, small bosti khan ase, aro manu khan bishi lamba chora na jaeng na yate brai tahan notun approach road khuling na ase ina jani paise. Aro tahan ba assure kori ase that alag bridge huwi, chotu bridge huwi, idu dangor bridge huwi, they will complete the road and the construction of the bridge by end of March. Tahan assure kori na ase. So viewers, we will just have to wait and see. This is one of the main lifelines of Nagaland, I should say, and very busy areas, the commercial hub goes straight to the town areas, the main commercial center of Nagaland. Idu Rasta Julai. And as I said, idu this is Assam over here. Dilai gate jawo yadi Dilai yadi tak jai aro check post pi yadi ase. Holebi ichado amikhan idu rukhina sawo by end of March hona na wo. This will be a developing story. We will keep giving you updates on this said road. Essay here with camera person Kamri for Nagaland News Network.